How big does a Philodendron Prince of Orange get?
Philodendron Prince of Orange can grow to a height of about 2 feet and spread out to a width of around 2 to 3 feet when mature. The leaves can grow up to 8 to 10 inches long, showcasing vibrant colors that transition from bright orange to yellow and eventually to green as they mature.
See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. How to care for Philodendron Prince of Orange. The Philodendron Prince of Orange is a beautiful houseplant known for its vibrant orange and green foliage.
While not the most difficult philodendron to care for, it does have specific needs to thrive.
Here's a guide to keep your Prince of Orange looking its best. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. This will help maintain the plant's beautiful orange coloration.
Avoid harsh direct sunlight, especially during the hottest parts of the day, as it can scorch the leaves. If your home doesn't have a lot of natural light, consider supplementing with a grow light for a few hours a day.
Watering. Consistent moisture is key, but avoid overwatering.
Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's better to err on the side of underwatering. A moisture meter can be helpful to determine when watering is needed.
Humidity. Moderate to high humidity, around 50 to 70%, is preferred. Dry air can cause brown, crispy leaf edges. You can increase humidity by
misting the plant regularly with lukewarm water, avoiding the center of new growth. Using a pebble tray filled with water, ensure the pot sits above the water level.
Grouping your Philodendron Prince of Orange with other humidity-loving plants. Temperature.
Warm temperatures between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 27 degrees Celsius, are ideal. Protect your plant from cold drafts and sudden temperature fluctuations.
Soil and potting.
A well-draining, airy potting mix is essential. Aroid mix or a standard potting mix with added perlite or orchid bark will work well. Ensure your pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging.
Fertilizing. Fertilize sparingly during the growing season, spring and summer, only.
Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength once a month.
Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can damage the plant.
You can also consider using a slow-release fertilizer formulated for houseplants. Additional tips.
Philodendron Prince of Orange is a climber.
As it matures, providing a moss pole or trellis will encourage climbing growth.
Rotate your plant occasionally to ensure even growth on all sides.
Clean the leaves regularly with a damp cloth to remove dust and improve light absorption.
Watch out for common houseplant pests like mealybugs and spider mites. Neem oil solution is a good way to control them.
By following these tips, you can create a thriving environment for your Philodendron Prince of Orange and enjoy its beautiful orange and green foliage for a long time.
Remember, consistency is key. How to propagate Philodendron Prince of Orange.
Philodendron Prince of Orange can be propagated through stem cuttings or division. For stem cuttings, cut a healthy stem with a few leaves and at least one node. Place the cutting in water or directly into moist, well-draining potting soil.
Keep the cutting in a warm, humid environment with bright, indirect light. Roots should develop within a few weeks.
For division, carefully remove the plant from its pot and separate a section of the root ball with at least one growth point.
Repot the division in fresh soil and water thoroughly. Is Philodendron Prince of Orange rare? Philodendron Prince of Orange is somewhat uncommon but not considered extremely rare.
It is sought after for its unique and vibrant foliage, making it a desirable addition to many plant collections. However, it is available through specialty plant shops, online retailers, and some well-stocked garden centers.
Is Philodendron Prince of Orange a climber? Philodendron Prince of Orange is not a climber.
Unlike many other philodendrons, it is a self-heading variety, meaning it grows in a more upright and bushy manner without needing support structures like trellises or moss poles.
Where to buy Philodendron Prince of Orange?
Philodendron Prince of Orange can be purchased from local nurseries, garden centers, and plant specialty stores. It is also available from online plant retailers, where you can often find a broader selection. When buying online, check reviews and ratings to ensure you are purchasing from a reputable seller that provides healthy plants. Philodendron McColley's finale vs. Prince of Orange.
My McColley's finale is a drama queen.
Unfurls a vibrant, fiery red leaf, like a tiny heart bursting with color.
It's stunning, but the drama doesn't stop there.
As the leaf matures, it slowly transforms into a deep, cool green. It's beautiful too, but I miss the initial fiery stage. The Prince of Orange, on the other hand, feels more mellow. Its new leaves come in a warm orange, like a sunrise, and hold onto the hue for a bit longer. Maybe that's why I find it a touch easier to care for, less chasing after fleeting colors. Philodendron Red Sun vs. Prince of Orange.
My red sun is a disco ball in plant form.
The new leaves erupt in a kaleidoscope of red, burgundy, and even hints of bronze.
It's mesmerizing, but high maintenance.
Those vibrant colors seem to fade quickly, leaving behind a more subdued green. The Prince of Orange, in comparison, feels like a reliable friend. Its orange hue is bright and cheerful, but not flashy. It holds onto the color for a decent amount of time, giving me a pop of sunshine without the constant color changes.
Philodendron Orange Princess vs. Prince of Orange. My orange princess is like a precious jewel.
The new leaves are a delicate peachy orange, almost translucent at the edges.
It's breathtaking, but needs constant attention.
The slightest change in humidity or light seems to affect the color.
The Prince of Orange, bless its easygoing soul, isn't as fussy. Its orange hue is bold and clear, and it seems to adapt to different conditions much better. While the Orange Princess might be the showstopper, the Prince of Orange is the reliable companion that brings a smile to my face every day.